this in here. We're going to add our beef pretty soon, but we want this to wilt down a little bit. You feel me? Look at the garden. And the jalapenos came from here. So yeah, we just going to let this do what it needs to do. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, we'll add our beef. So they look nice and translucent. So we're going to add our beef in the middle and we'll break it down as it goes. It's going to produce its own grease, so don't worry about the vegetables. So I am going to add, ooh, look at that. Ooh, I am going to add another can of tomatoes to this, just simply for the fact of I need more tomatoes. I have 2 beans. I need more tomatoes. We added in about a half a cup of light beer. We use Michelob. And then we're just going to let this simmer for like 10-15 minutes. My coals are still doing good, so I'm trying to think of what else I want to throw up here. But once we add that extra thing of tomatoes, this is going to be good to go as long as we let it simmer. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of something smoky and sweet, and then that will be it.